Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix SPUpDateServer.exe System Error. So without wasting time, here follow the fixes. The first fix is to run System File Checker and DISM. So in Windows search type cmd and open the command prompt as an administrator. Click yes to allow. Now in the command prompt, you have to type two code one by one. So first copy this code. I have provided this code in my video description. You can copy and paste it from there. So first copy this code and then paste it over here and then hit enter. And then copy the next code and then enter in the command prompt and then hit on next. You have to wait for the process to get complete and then you can just restart your PC once. And after your PC restart, then you can go ahead and check if your error is fixed or not. If not, then fix 2 is to uninstall the EZVIZ or Hikvision software. So in Windows search type installed apps and open it. Now here in the installed app list, look for EZVIZ, Hikvision, IVMS, HiLook, HiCloud or Update Server. Uninstall any related entries, particularly anything with Update Server or EZVIZ Hikvision in the name. And after uninstalling such software, just restart your PC once again. And after your PC restart, go ahead and then check if your problem is solved or not. If still your problem is not solved, then you have to check and remove the viruses from your PC. So go to this malwarebytes.com website. Link is given in my video description. And once you are on this malwarebytes website, click on this download for free. You will see your download should have started automatically. So once this exe file get downloaded, click on it and install the malwarebytes software on your PC. And then click on scan to scan your PC. And once the scan completes, you can quarantine or remove the scanned malware. And then you can check if your problem is solved or not. If still your problem is not solved, then fix 4, try to find program files, HiCloud, Update Server, and then click on UNIS 000 or other program which uses the SPUpdate server. And then you can check if your problem is solved or not. So by following these fixes, you can easily solve SPUpDateServer.exe System Error. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.